little artists? Do you love ice creams? Yum, yum! Today, we are going to draw super cute ice creams together.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a rectangle shape. Great! Now draw a small handle below it. Now let's decorate it. Draw some star shapes on the ice cream. Wow, looking fun already! Now, let's draw a heart shape. Nice and big. Now, add a small handle below the heart. Now, draw another rectangle shape. Add a small handle below. Now, draw a wavy line on top to make it look yummy and creamy. Nice job, everyone. Our ice cream drawings are complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Take out your color pens. Let's color together. Cream color. Yellow color. Color. Blue color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Awesome job! Your ice creams look so yummy! Great work, little artists! Keep drawing and have lots of fun. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!
Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw 2 cute ice creams that are best friends! Yay! First, let's draw a big heart shape right in the middle of the paper. This heart will show how much our ice creams love each other. Now, let's draw 2 ice cream bars. Start with a rectangle shape under each side of the heart. Now, at the bottom, add a small handle for each ice cream stick. Draw wavy lines at the top part of each ice cream to show the melting ice cream part. Now it's time to make them look adorable. Let's draw 2 cute eyes and a smiley mouth on each ice cream. To make it even more lovely, draw little hearts all around the ice creams. They're spreading love everywhere. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Awesome, isn't it?
Ha ha!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens or markers and let's begin coloring. Pink color. Blue color. Brown color. Red color. Dark pink color. That looks so sweet and beautiful. Well done, everyone. You did an amazing job drawing and coloring these cute ice cream friends.
Hey, little artists! Do you love ice cream? Today, we are going to draw a super yummy ice cream together. Let's draw a rounded rectangle in the middle of the page. Great job! This is the body of our ice cream. Now, at the bottom, draw a small handle or stick. Next, draw 2 tall rectangles inside the ice cream. These will make it look extra yummy and fun. Now draw some small lines and shapes for decoration. You can make it look however you like. Finally, let's make it look 3D and realistic by adding a few extra lines on the sides. Wow, it looks so cool already. Nice job, everyone. Now let's go over the lines again and make the outline bold and sharp so it really pops.
La da 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 dee.
Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Let's bring out our color pens. Brown color. Maroon color. Pink color. Cream color. Red color. Wow, your ice cream looks so delicious and colorful. Awesome job today, little artists. Keep practicing and keep drawing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.